We are going to take you inside another Shark Key waterfront masterpiece. Now this home just went through a stunning renovation. It's located on quiet Sealore Lane, so you are close to the clubhouse, the lagoon, the tennis courts. You really couldn't be in a better spot in this exclusive gated community. The designers spared no expense with this home. Hardwood floors, high ceilings, high-end appliances, and some incredible open water views. Let's take a look around 25 Sealore Lane. This home is listed by Scott Foreman and Sarah Hallett. Scott, this home has gone through such a stunning renovation. It is gorgeous inside.
It is, it's beautiful, and everywhere you look you'll see beautiful details like imported doors from Italy. It couldn't have been a nicer renovation.
And the indoor space is amazing, but the outdoor space, that's also key here.
They've installed a beautiful infinity pool, so you can sit in the pool and watch the water overflow. The community itself is very quiet. It's a gated community, and we're about 15-20 minutes away from downtown Key West. Here you have tennis courts, and there's a swimming lagoon with beautiful tropical fish. It's just a great place to live.
You have everything you need in your backyard. You can put a flats boat, kayak, paddleboard, kiteboard here. You really can do it all. If you'd like to see this home for yourself, be sure to contact Scott or Sarah. You can also check out royalpalmsrealtykeywest.com for more information on this stunning home.